Welcome back, guys. So right now let me add some of the coins I've bought to my portfolio. So all I have to do is to come to my Bybit. I'll be using my Bybit. I want to add it to my portfolio on CoinMarketCap and some of the new coins I just bought. So all I'm going to do is to add it to my portfolio so I can track my portfolio from CoinMarketCap. So I'll do that right away. I'll come to CoinMarketCap. I can connect it automatically. All I have to do is to come to the portfolio session, and here's the portfolio, and here I have all my portfolios so far. So all I have to do is to add a new coin, and to add a new set of coin, all I have to do is to click on this, and you've seen my previous coin. These are all my previous coins, the ones I've bought in the past. So right now the new ones I just bought, I want to add it now, and all I have to do is to start a new portfolio. You can connect your wallet automatically. You can connect a Binance account. You can add transactions manually. So I'm using the manual format. So I'm going to just click on add transactions manually. So I'm going to come to Bybit to see the new coins I just bought. So I'm going to come to my funding in Bybit. I think to come to my assets, I'm going to come to my funding, and yeah, add some of the coins I have. So all I have to do now, I bought a new coin which is Matic. Matic is the newest, is the only new coin I bought. So I'm going to check Matic. I'm going to add Matic, the number of Matic I bought. So all I have to do is to just put a Matic. I'm going to put Matic right here, and I'm going to choose, you can choose an avatar. I'm going to change an avatar here. You can choose any of these avatar. I'm just going to change it to something like a key. Yes, I'm going to save that. This portfolio is my own. I'm going to create portfolio right away, and I'll be able to create a Matic portfolio but with $0. So all I have to do now is to add the number of Matic I bought. So coming to this, I'm going to add transactions. I'm going to enter Matic, and I'm going to add the transaction. So now I want to add Matic, the coin itself. So this is Matic Polygon. I'm just going to click on that, and I'm going to add the transaction right away. To add the transaction, all I have to do is to come to Bybit and check the units of Matic I have. I have 11.9727. 11.9727. 977. Yeah, this is the number I have. So I'm going to add this transaction to my Polygon, and coming back here, you can see this is the new transaction, and I added Matic to my old portfolio, and here we are. So I have other coins I added to my Ton coin. All I have to do is just to add a new transaction. Let me see. Currently in my portfolio, let me see the number of Ton I have. So I have Ton 10. All I have to do is to check the transactions, and yeah, I have it. I bought 1.851 ton. So all I have to do is to just click on this, and I would say edit. I want to edit this, so I'm going to come back here to edit this. I'm just going to put the number of ton I have now, 2.6. How many ton do I have? Let me check my Bybit again. 2.60966. Yeah, that's the number of ton I have. So I'm going to edit this transaction, and here I have the new transaction, and I've added that to my portfolio. So you could check more on the other coins you've not added. So I'm going to check. I don't have Doge here. I'm going to add Doge as well. So I'm going to create a new one and add transactions manually. I'm going to just choose Doge, DOGE. I'm going to change the avatar right here. You can change it to a dog avatar. I'm just going to use something like this here. So it looks like a dog. I'm going to save that. So this is a Doge coin. I'm going to create the portfolio, then I'm going to enter the portfolio to create the transaction. I'm going to add the transaction of Doge I bought. So this is Doge coin right here, and I'm going to add that right away. So let me see the number of Doge I bought. I have 50.717. So 50.717. So let's do that. Let's add that 50.717 unit of Doge, and I'm going to add that to my transaction. So I have that right now as well. So we have the whole portfolio coming in order, and here I have all my coins right here. I have the number of ton, the Matic, the Doge, the TRX, the ADA, the SHIB, the Not coin. So far this is my portfolio so far, and I can add the USDT I have 5 USDT of course. So I'm just going to check. I'm going to change this. I'm going to change this to like a dollar bag, and I'm going to save. I'm going to name this USDT, and I'm going to create my portfolio. Then having to create my portfolio, I'll enter the USDT to input the number of USDT I have. I'm going to add transaction. I'm going to check for USDT, and here it is, and I'm going to input the number of USDT I have. I have a $5 USDT right now in my Bybit, as you can see it right here. This is it right here. So I'm going to add that to my portfolio as well. and that way I'll be able to update my portfolio. And here we have an updated portfolio. So as you can see it here right now, I have the whole portfolio coming in right now, and this is what it looks like. And that's how to create your portfolio on CoinMarketCap. You can track all your assets here on CoinMarketCap. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.